Guys, how are you? Welcome to another video of mine. So today this video is going to be my August favorite or video. Guys, I'm trying to show these items which I have tried to use mostly in my daily life, in my daily routine, considering there are lots and lots of items, but I try to squeeze something into one video. Hopefully, let's go ahead and hopefully you like this video. So let's start with something which I use mostly every day. The moment I received it, I'm using it non-stop. I'm using it every day, and I have noticed lots of difference in my skin texture, because as you all know, I've got lots of acne prone chin area full of acne, but still the acne spots, I'm not going to say it's going to vanish away at one go, but it is subsiding. I could see it has gone down. The texture, I could see it has been quite improving since the weeks. So I'm going to introduce you to it's the new formula of Estee Lauder ANR Advanced Night Repair. And before this, guys, I have never used Advanced Night Repair. Sometimes I got the samples, I used it, and then I thought, no, I don't want to use it. It's okay, let's try a drugstore one. Let's try something like from the drugstore version. I don't want to spend this much on a serum. No, I don't want to. But when this came out, I asked the lady in the Debenhams counter to give me a sample of this one. I thought that, okay, might possible, I'm not going to buy this, I'm just going to use the sample and let's see, let's give it a second thought. But I have used this. I have finished the tiniest drop of the sample and I love it. I love this a lot. It says, you know, the traditional ANR, the traditional, they have reformulated. It's double the strength, double the ingredients, and double the formula, everything, and the effect is phenomenal. It's very nice, and I can show you the texture. The texture is as same as, or it's like the traditional ANR, but I could feel the difference between both. And it's like, it says on the traditional one, I was not sure on the traditional, on the original ANR, that is basically specifically for your night use, but this is, you can use both AM and PM. And this is the 50 ml, I think. Yes, this is the 50 ml size, and you can get it for, I think it's available in the 30 ml size as well. But if you want to invest in a nice serum, this is on a luxurious side. But try to get a sample of this one, the newer ANR, and you will see a quite difference in your skin, guys. I'm really swearing by these. Like today, from few weeks, I'm not using anything else than a combo of these two, just this, because you know, and this is again my second product, the second favorite product of the week, because the thing is, I want to use something which is going to give a nice hydration to my skin, nice glowing, as well as could sort out my acne issues as well. So these, I think these combo is working brilliantly. I'm loving at the moment, and currently these are my favorite skincare routine products. So this is again my oldie but my goodie. You can see I've already run out of my tub. I never get bored of using this. I never lose interest in this one. I always to and fro, I swung in between the Clinique one and the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizer, or no, it's called the Moisture Search, sorry. So I just swing into these two, or maybe sometimes I use Vico Turmeric also. In the summer months, I used to love the combination of Vico Turmeric and aloe vera gel. I do right now also, but I need an extra hydration. So for this is being very nice. It's the Elizabeth Arden Flawless Future, and this contains SPF 30, so greasy, it's non-oily, and for me it really just rejuvenates the skin, hydrates it. So I use it at night also, although it's a daytime cream, but I use it both the time. So that's my following in the line of skincare. My third product is like this, the Vanity Planet, and this is the cleansing brush set. I think, I don't know how it's pronounced, but I think it's Radia or Radia, and it comes with these because it's lying in my shower, and I use this almost every day non-stop. So it comes, I'm going to do a separate review on this one. So this is the brush, and I'll show you the 3 brushes it comes with. This one is the first one. Both these are usable, and in fact 3 of them you can easily use on a daily basis. And this is the second one for acne and for combination skin. And this is specifically their silicone brush. Usually for acne or problematic skin they recommend this brush, but I'm going to give you a detailed review. So the good thing about this one, guys, although it comes in the storage case and everything, you can use it in the shower, take it in the shower, use it liberally. And the good thing with this one is it comes with a battery. It doesn't like has a charging unit or something like the Clarisonic or stuff like that. So you just turn it on and you can see it instantly just rejuvenates the skin and take out. And if you're doing a double cleansing routine, or if you're making a working woman or going outside, it's just going to give you that cleanse skill feeling. You can see this, you can hear it, see, and definitely does a very good job in a cleansing thing. And I bought this directly from the Vanity Planet website. They are having, mostly they have got nice offers. So favorite list. And my 4 is my something no, I think before that I'm going to show you my this. I think this is the only drugstore, so no, there are 2 more drugstore items in this video. So this is my everyday moisturizer, or this is the SPF, I can say. This is nice one with a 50 plus, £7 from Boots, and very nice. It doesn't leave a white cast. It doesn't have that, you know, that chemical smell which mostly your sunscreen or the SPFs have. This is quite, I use it for myself, I use it on my kids, although the kids have got a different version of this, but I take it to everywhere. It's in my purse, in my handbag, it's in my drawers, in all the drawers, in 2 or 3 drawers I have got this. So I use it daily. No matter if you're in winter or in autumn or summer, you have to have an SPF, especially with using products like these, or any products, or in fact you're not using any product on your skin, so just have an SPF. But being said that, always use something to give that extra replenishment to the skin. Moving on to the makeup line, I'm just going to show you my ultimate favorite for the autumn time. It's not autumn, it's my all year ultimate favorite, and this has got the Estee Lauder Modern Muse Nude. And I'll just, it's my favorite. This is, I know I'm going to say this for all of the products because that's why they are in my favorite video, but it is something which is going to last you long, something which is going to complement you. It's not that you need to be too sophisticated or too being into well dressed or well, you know, some perfumes give you that impression of you that you need to have very sophisticated sort of dressing, sophisticated jewelry, sophisticated accessories. But this is like your all round. You can wear it in the morning, although it's going to be more suitable for the night time, but trust me, I wear it throughout the day. I wear it in the morning, and if I need to top up, I'll top up in the evening. So this is my ultimate favorite. You can see I use it, but still I use it almost every day, but still I just finished this one. So if you're considering to get a nice perfume for the autumn months, just try Estee Lauder Modern Muse Nude. It's a very nice option, guys. It's really ageless. Now let's moving on to my makeup favorites. So makeup favorites, I have got I don't know, this has to be my favorite, but I'll just keep this very short. This, because it has got a black color, so this, you know, if I'm going to skip everything, if I'm just going to give one shadow, so it's going to be black, because I hardly have got black eyeshadows in a palette, so I always reach for this one. But that's it for this one. I love it, I love it. And this is my newest one, which I have shown this video. This eye look is going to come very soon. So this is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde, and seeing the packaging, it's quite nice, holographic. I'm going to talk in detail about the shades in my exclusive review of this palette, where I'm showing you all the swatches and everything. So this is, but you guys just have a look. It's so gorgeous, it's so jewel toned, and it's like it's very complimentary throughout the board, no matter whatever skin tone you are, very fair to very deep. I think it's going to complement everyone. Indian skin tone, traditional attires, modern, contemporary, it's, I think it's suitable for everyone. Can you see these jewel tones, these ones? And this, I think this is one of my favorites, called Supermoon and the Gold Glitch. I love shades like these, guys, like silver and gold. I think it's the uh, if you're wearing an eye makeup, it's going to be a best friend along with a black. I think you can just pull any look off with these two shades. So another gorgeous shades in this one. The opportunities are endless. So this is again my next recommendation for and stuff like that. Nah, this is again Huda Beauty Nude Medium Obsessions, because when I ordered the Mercury retrograde, as I have told you earlier, Huda Beauty was having a sale, a flash sale. They were having like I think for 10 days they were having 10 different options. I'm not sure that was it for 10 days or for 7 days, but they were having different option on different days. So one was sometimes they had on the face products, and then one option was one day sale was like 40% off on the eye palettes. So at that time, being on a 40% off, I picked these two up. So this is like the medium uh obsession, the medium nude obsessions. Have a look at this one. And this is, you can say, at one instance it's going to be suitable for the medium skin tones. It's going to complement medium skin tone girls. But being said that, it's not just for medium skin tones, anyone can pull it off. I think from very fair to deep, up of course for the deep or very tan girls, more deeper than me, you need to build it up, but it's quite pigmented. You can go ahead. It has got some beautiful mattes. These two although look quite familiar in the pan, but trust me guys, it's not familiar, it's not same, it's quite different. You have got some nice chocolate brown shades, you have got some bronzy shades, you have got some gold. This is again brown with warm coppery gold. So these are the shades which you can easily create lots of eye looks with, and it's the perfect size to carry in a handbag or probably a great travel palette. So this is my next recommendation for makeup. And considering makeup video cannot be fulfilled or cannot be complete without putting you a nice foundation option, so this is the L'Oreal True Match foundation. It's one of my favorites. I use it all the times in most of my tutorials. You can see this and either this one paired with another L'Oreal one, but these are like quite affordable and quite good one, and my shade is golden beige. This I bought from Boots, and Boots, you mostly throughout the year you have got 3 for 2 options. You can, I think they have got most of the time they have got this 3 for 2 option. So nice foundation to look for. You can see this is quite, if I'm going to show you the texture, although I have done so much things on this one, so if I'm going to show you the texture, it's not quite matte, it's like full pigmented. I've taken the tiniest drop, but it's like full pigmented. It has got, you know, nice satin finish to it. It has got very nice satin finish. You can see the build up. You can see when the lights is going to hit, I think it has got, you know, not specks of something, but it has got nice shine or nice sheen to it. It doesn't have any chunky shimmers or nothing like that, but you know, it's something which has got nice shine to it. It gives a nice satiny finish. So one of my most favorite foundation to use on a daily basis. Though mostly I just use very less lipstick. I just use the Burt's Bee lip balm, which I'm going to using this one. So mostly I just cucumber and mint is the Burt's Bee. So this is one, again, one of my favorites. And but in the lipsticks, this is very flattering, and this is Huda Beauty Demi Matte in the shade Sheka or Shika, and this you can see it's like not a very good swatch, but still, if I'm going to say, this is like, you know, nice pinky sort of shade, pinky with a hint of raspberry, or you can say with a hint of purpley in it. So it's not purple, not pinky, but if you're going to combine like pinky and purple together, it's going to be somewhat like this. It's a very nice and flattering shade for Indian skin tone. And sometimes I use this, and sometimes I like try to just switch on between the shades. As my Charlotte Tilbury collagen lip and this is in this shade, I think, collagen lip bath, and I think it's called peachy glow. I'm not sure, I'm just going to link it somewhere in there. So again, very nice. And you know, if from the tube you can say it's going to be just mere glitter with no color payoff, but the moment it goes onto the lips, it's awesome, guys. And first of all, you can see, appreciate their applicators. It has got this shape, it goes onto the edges of their lips for you, their textures. You can see it's like nice peachy and nice, gives a nice glow to the lips. So this is my, again, lip recommendation. And my, I think, lipstick video is going to be incomplete without showing you one of my most favorite, most well-loved lipsticks. This is Superstay Ink Crayon in the shade number 20. I think I've included in my earlier videos favorite as well, but still I have to. So this one is Enjoy the View. You can see how flattering this one is. This is like the, you have got like the perfect nudie, and it has got not quite matte. It's going to last you on the lips, and very affordable. So if you're looking for a nice nudie with a peachy sort of nude, I highly recommend this one, shade number 20, Enjoy the View. So that's it, guys. That's it for my today's monthly favorites, August monthly favorites. Hope you guys enjoy my video. If you have got any comments, suggestions, anything regarding any future videos, what you want to see, any future looks or any recreations you want to do, please let me know. I'll be more than happy. You guys mean the world to me. And please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, guys. Bye, guys. See you in my next video.